welcome back to part 2 of my cleaning video. Today's video will be the living room. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, consider subscribing. Okay guys, we're just going to break out the good old vacuum now. Start our vacuum cleaning. I decided to start cleaning today just because, well, quite frankly, the house really needed it.
Something new to me. Alone without being lonely. Getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over. Thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth.
I have a dark carpet in this room, so it always needs a lot of vacuuming, I find, with pets. Kids, pets, crumbs everywhere. I find myself vacuuming this all the time. One thing I like about dark carpets is they hide everything, but they also show everything in a way too, because every piece of lint or anything like that, you do end up seeing it. So like I said, I do vacuum this quite often. Sometimes I can bring out my little sweeper vac to do that if it's just a little bit of things to be cleaned up, but other times I have to break out the big vacuum, the big guns.
I'm still feeling lonely. Can't get back to the old me. I'm stuck in way too deep.
Just making sure I get all the areas here, and I'm going towards the couch. Making sure I get that area and don't forget it. I'm just wondering, guys, how many times have you done your vacuum cleaning and you realize that you didn't hit a spot that you were intending to hit? I've done this many times. So now I'm just going to go ahead and fluff up the pillows on the couch. I do have to wash my white pillow covers. I noticed that today as I was fluffing them up. I do have to get washing those, but I'm just gonna put my white fuzzy pillow on my chair, which I love this pillow. This is like one of my very favorite pillows that I have in the house. It's really comfy, cozy to kind of snuggle up with. Just gonna go ahead and place my throw back on the couch. I did clean off my furniture, so I'm going to go ahead and put everything back now. I don't know why, but I just love to have throw pillows, quite a few on my couches and chairs, because I just find if you don't have them, it just looks so bare. And I'm not one for bare or minimal. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and clean off the glass coffee tables, which are, I'm going to be honest, are the bane of my existence. I would love to change them out, but so far I haven't been able to do that. One day I'm going to get wood coffee tables. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not a big fan of glass, just because I find it just very impractical because of family life. And as soon as the sun comes in the house, you see every little dust mark, every little thing on the glass. It shows everything. So yeah, I'm definitely interested in switching out these tables.
Speaking with a different
next thing I'm moving on to is the end table between the couches. I'm just going to give that a good wipe with the Windex. And still, after all these years, many years of cleaning that I've done, I still love my old faithful Windex and paper towels to clean glass. I do like Bonami when I do windows, but I really like for these glass coffee tables and most glass surfaces, I actually really do like Windex. I don't know why, but it just seems to do a good job. Now I'm just going to use my lemon cleaner that I like for all surface, a multi-purpose cleaner. I really like this one for actually any surface. I do use it on my wood. I find it doesn't hurt anything, and it smells so nice. I love the lemon smell. I have a few photos I'm going to place back on the mantle, and a plant here and some books. I like to keep quite a few items like this on my mantelpiece. It just, I don't know, these ones I seem like they work the best. I've tried many pieces on the mantle, and because our TV is very low, I find that these ones seem to work the best. I ended up making this flower arrangement, I think about a year and a half ago or so. I just wanted that wild flower look to the living room, and I just found these flowers. I think they were actually from the dollar store, and just decided to put these together and make another flower arrangement, because I do love my flower arrangements. Now I'm just going to go ahead and dust off this ladder. Give it a quick dust. It doesn't really need much done to it. I did dust it not that long ago, but I just realized it's getting a little dusty. So being black, it does attract the dust quite easily. So I'm just going to give it a quick wipe off with my Swiffer duster. It's amazing to me. I find how that you could dust one day and then literally go back, and a few days later you see the dust again, and you just keep wondering to yourself, where does this all come from? Where does it all come from? Because I feel like I'm constantly cleaning my house, and I go over these surfaces and I'm like, I don't even get where all this dust comes from. I don't know if you guys are the same way or not. I'm using my Bissell sweeper vac, and if you've watched other videos and you've heard me say how much I love this vacuum. It's just easy to work with. It's just easy to empty, and it goes from floor to carpet so easily and effortlessly, and there's not enough good things I can say about it, and I actually really do love it. It's not really noisy. And that's what I do like about it, is the fact that you can bring it just about everywhere, and it gets under surfaces like beds. And that's one thing I just absolutely love about it, because there's nothing more annoying than getting a vacuum where you literally can't get under furniture surfaces. This one you can get under everything, just as I'm doing right now. And that's why mainly I bought this vacuum, is because I was so tired of not being able to get under our beds. and under the furniture. This one does that.
Give it time, things will settle. Just face till it's better, yeah. Heard it all before. Even though we were toxic.
So I'm just going to go ahead and start washing the floors. I have my Velita mop, my old trusty Velita mop. These mops I know are old, but you know what? I really like the Velita mop. And one of the reasons why is because it does collapse and go under the beds and furniture surfaces very well. And I don't know why, it just always works well every time I use it, so I like it. Hey guys, so I'm almost done washing the floors, and that'll be it for cleaning up the living room today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed bringing it to you, so I'm hoping to do more of these in the future. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Until next time, toodaloo.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.